Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to know, we are going to learn something new, something different, something dynamic in JavaScript. Okay, and guys, today in this video, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic, cool, and animated overlay menu using JavaScript. Okay, yes, guys, you heard that right. Today, in this video, in this tutorial, we are going to know, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic, cool, and animated overlay menu by just using plain or vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, you must have seen animated and dynamic overlay menu in many websites. Okay, so guys, here also we are going to know, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic, cool, and animated overlay menu by using plain or vanilla JavaScript along with HTML and CSS3 as well. Okay, so guys, in order to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the features and all the functionalities of the example to you so that you will get to know that today what we're going to learn and today what we're going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely HTML, CSS3 and plain or vanilla JavaScript. Okay, and here we can see the heading also, build a modern hamburger menu and stunning overlay menu with animation, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session guys, we are going to completely know, we are going to completely learn that how to use HTML, CSS3 and JavaScript to create an awesome, dynamic, cool and animated overlay menu as well as hamburger menu using JavaScript. Okay, and guys, below we can see here these four cards. Okay, so guys, these are just the dummy cards I have just given for the demo. Okay, so it says learn web development, learn JavaScript with me, learn react.js with me, learn ServiceNow with me. Okay, and guys, on the right hand side of the screen on the top we can see here this hamburger menu. Okay, so guys, in order to see the animated and dynamic overlay menu, we have to first click this hamburger menu, then we will be able to see the animated and dynamic overlay menu. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to click this hamburger menu to open the animated overlay menu. Okay, so just click it now. See, boom guys, you must have heard the click sound. Okay guys, you must have heard the click sound. Okay, so guys, I have given here, I have also provided here the click sound also so that it will okay feel easy, it will feel okay like nice that user has clicked on the hamburger menu and user has clicked the again on the hamburger menu to close the overlay menu. Okay, so this sounds will give you the feel that user has clicked the mouse button. Okay, user has clicked the mouse, user has okay open the hamburger menu. Okay, this is it. Okay, I have just given for the what can I say, like what can I say to make it dynamic. Okay, this looks cool and this looks dynamic as well. Okay, and guys, okay, these are the links, home, services, about us, products, new arrivals, dashboard and contact us. Okay, so just click this cross sign to again close this overlay menu. See, boom guys, try to see the animation. Okay guys, try to see the animation. I have just given the animation using CSS3 and JavaScript. Okay, using animation, using CSS3 and JavaScript, I have provided the animation. Okay, so just close this again. Okay, and guys, let me just show you guys, this overlay menu is very responsive we will be able to use this. We will be able to integrate in any kind of screen sizes, in any kind of device width as well. Okay, so we will be able to use this hamburger menu as well as this overlay menu in mobile devices or in any kind of screen sizes or in any kind of width. Okay, what can I say, device width. Okay, so just close this, go to the mobile view, just click this. See, you can see here animation is also here, and this looks really cool and really okay. What can I say, up to the mark also, that we will be able to use this menu, hamburger menu as well as overlay menu in mobile devices as well as on the desktop, okay, screen as well. Okay, so you can see here the animation is also doing great, it is also doing fantastic. Okay, you can see here animation is also doing great, it is also doing fantastic. There is no issue, there is no any problem at all in the mobile devices as well as on the desktop width or screen sizes as well. Okay, so see, animation is doing great. I'm very sorry. See, this is doing great. Okay, this is doing great. So go to the mobile view again. Okay, this is very responsive, guys. This is very responsive. Go to the Pixel Pro. See, this is very responsive. Okay, see, animation is doing great again on any kind of devices. Animation is doing great. Okay, go to the iPhone SE. See, okay, so go to the mobile view. So guys, this is known as the hamburger menu, and this is known as the overlay menu. Okay, so guys, this is known as the hamburger menu, and this is known as the overlay menu, and I have built this overlay menu as well as hamburger menu using just HTML, CSS3, and plain or vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so guys, I hope you are now thrilled, you are now excited to learn to create this modern hamburger menu as well as a stunning overlay menu with animation by using just HTML5, CSS3, and plain or vanilla JavaScript with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this hamburger menu as well as overlay menu with using just HTML, CSS3, and JavaScript or vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so let's get started, guys, and let's learn and let's build. Okay, but guys, before starting up the video, I would like to request you all, guys, please guys, subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly. And definitely guys, you're going to grow also in your professional IT career after watching my video, after watching my sessions. Okay, and please guys, do like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. And please guys, okay, do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups also. And please guys, don't forget to like this video, which will give me the confidence and motivation. Okay, so guys, I'm going to trust you, I'm going to count on you that you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, you will like this video also, and you will share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this modern hamburger menu and stunning overlay menu by using just HTML5, CSS3, and vanilla JavaScript with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, where we will provide the click sound effect as well. Okay, using just JavaScript, I have just given here this click sound effect. Okay, this looks cool and this looks dynamic. Okay, so guys, now I'll use here the Sublime text. Okay guys, you are free to use the IDE or features of your preferences. Okay, I'll use here Sublime text. I'm going to create here one file first. I'll just say here JS overlay menu .html. So save the page first inside the coding folder, which is on the desktop. Click save. So let me just create here HTML first. Learn. I'm very sorry guys. So say here learn JavaScript with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so let me go to the example first to copy the bootstrap CD link from here. So just copy this from here and just paste below the title tag inside the head section. Okay, I'll just create here one container div first using the bootstrap class container class. Let's just close this div now. So say here container this is it. Let's just create here another div inside this div only, with the class row. So row, and just close this div. Now let's just give you some extra classes as well. I can say here margin top 5, margin bottom also. I'll give you 5. I'll go to the example to copy the HTML code to create the cards. Okay, I hope you know how to create the HTML card using the Bootstrap only. If you don't know how to create cards using Bootstrap, guys, this is very serious, this is very alarming. You must know how to create the Bootstrap cards. Okay, so let me just copy this. This is really simple HTML, only HTML part only. Let's just paste it here. Okay, let me just arrange this very quickly. Yeah, this is it. Let's just save the file and right click here and open in browser this file. So here it is. Let me just go to the example one more time, and I'll just copy these text from here as well to save a little bit of time only. Create a div, give the class margin top, I'll give you a 4, margin bottom also I'll give you a 4. Just close this div. Now open this div and paste it here inside this div only. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So here it is. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to first create this hamburger menu just using HTML and CSS. Okay guys, I'm going to create here this hamburger menu first just using HTML5 and CSS3. Okay, so come to the code now, and inside the head section I'll write here first style element. I'll create here style, this is it. So I'll just say here body first, and I'll just say here background color I'll give here white only, although it is by white by default. Okay, I'll give here another class. I'll just say here no scroll to prevent the scroll. I'll just say here overflow hidden, and I'll just use here asterisk. This is known as the universal selector in CSS. Okay, so I'll just say here padding 0. I'll just say here margin also 0. Okay, this is it. And now here I'm going to create here the parent div. I'll just say here class. I can just say here hamburger menu. Okay, menu, and I'll give the ID also as a hamburger menu. So hamburger menu, this is it. Let's just give here small h, and let's just put here also a small h. This is it. And inside this div I'll create here 3 divs also to create the bars. Okay, so I'll just create here div with the class bar. So let's just say here bar, and let's just close this div. Now copy this div and paste it couple of times. So paste it couple of times. This is it. Let's just say here bar. Okay, I'll just say here bar 1. This is the unique class on each and every div. I'll just say here bar 2. I'll just say here bar, I'm very sorry, 3. Okay, this is it. We just copy this hamburger class from here, and we will just target it inside the CSS only. So paste it here. I'm very sorry. Let me just first of all let me just style this. So I'll just say here display. I can say here flex. I'll just say here justify content. I can say here center. I can say here align items also. I can say here center. I can just say here width of, I'll just say here width of, okay, I can give you auto, or you can just give the width as per your need, as per your requirements. Okay, so let's just say here width, I'll give you auto. I can just say here position. I can just say a position. Okay, I can just give you a fixed. Okay, position not flexed, it's fixed. Okay, so I can just say here top. Okay, 10 px. I can say here right also 20 px. I can just say here cursor. I'll give you a pointer. I can just say here z index as well, so that it will be seen, it will be clickable even though the overlay menu is open. This hamburger menu will be clickable. Okay, so that's why I have given here the greater z index. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I can just say here flex. Okay, direction also I can give you a column, not center, it's column. Okay, and I can just give here the text align also. I can say here center, and I can just say here transition also. I can say a transition all 0.5 seconds is in out. Okay, is in out. Okay, so as of now, just save the file. We won't be able to see anything. Okay, as of now. Okay, just save the file and go to the browser. So this is the our code. Refresh this page. Okay, nothing is visible, nothing is seen now. So go to the now code and I'll just copy this bar class from here, from this div. Okay, and let's just paste it here, bar class, and I can just say here, I'll just give you a width of 100 px. I can just give you the height of also 8 px. I can just give you overflow. Let's just there is no need to give overflow here. I can just say here the background color. I can just say here black. Okay, so that it will be visible. I can just say here border, border radius. I will give here of 10 px. I can just say here the height also. I'll give here height already given here. I can just give the margin to provide the gap between the lines, or between the okay, just say between the lines. Okay, so just say here uh, 5 px and 0, and this is it. I can just say here transition also to provide the smooth animation effect. I can just say here all 0.5 seconds is in out. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So it is now seen here, it is now visible here. Okay, but nothing is going to happen as of now. We will click on this, nothing is going to happen. Okay, nothing will happen. So we have to provide here the classes dynamically using JavaScript. Then only it will be uh, transformed. Okay, using the JavaScript, we will provide the dynamic classes to transform it, to make it cross. Okay, to make it cross, we will provide the classes dynamically using JavaScript to make it cross. Okay, so just come to the code now first. Okay, so as of now, this is it. So guys, now what I'll do here, I'll just give you one dummy classes with the name change. Okay, so guys, I'll just give you one dummy classes with the name change. Okay, so now I'll just copy this class, bar1 class from here. So copy this bar1 class from here, and when this dummy classes will be applied. Okay guys, when this okay dummy class, this change dummy class will be applied to this container div, okay, to this parent div, then we will transform our hamburger menu into cross. Okay, then we will transform our hamburger menu into cross. Okay, when this change dummy classes will be applied, when this change dummy classes will be applied, then we will transform this, okay, a hamburger menu into cross. We will transform this hamburger menu whenever this change dummy class will be applied to this parent div, to this container div. Okay, this is it. So that's why I'm going to do that now. I'll just say here transform, and I can say here rotate. Okay, not okay, I'll say here minus 46 degree, and I'll just say here I can just say here uh, translate also. I can give a translate, um, translate minus okay, I can say here minus 18 px and put comma. I can say here minus again minus 18 px. Okay, we can change it again. Okay, no issue at all. Copy this and just paste it. Okay, one more time, and just instead of one bar one, I'll just say here bar two, and bar 3 I'll say here, and in the bar 2 I will give you extra classes opacity 1. Okay, so I have to hide this. Okay, I have to hide this. Okay, second bar. Okay, whenever we will make it cross, we will hide this second bar. Okay, so that's whenever we will make it cross, we will hide this second bar. Okay, using JavaScript. Okay, so now give your opacity 1, and I don't need any rotation here, so let's just give here 0. Okay, and let's just give here 0 as well, and let's just say here only 8 here. Okay, this is it. So come to this now. So now we will just say here make it okay minus. Okay, let's just remove the minus 46 degree, and let's just say here minus okay 6 degree, and let's just say here minus okay 6 degree as well. Okay, so guys, now what I told you, so copy this change class, and let's just okay provide this change class to this parent div, to this container div. So let's just put here this change class. So save the file and come to the browser now to see the output, to see the result. Refresh this page now. So see, we can see here, but this looks really ugly. So I can just say here let's just remove this minus from here. And so now refresh this page one more time. So now this looks cool now. So what I can say here, I can just say here, instead of 46, 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now refresh this page. Yeah, now this looks cool. Okay, now this looks cool. But guys, we will not apply this class like this. We will apply this change class dynamically using JavaScript. Okay, so let's just save the file one more time to show you. So this is it. Okay, this is it. So remove this change class from here. Remove this change class from here. We will apply this change class dynamically to this div using JavaScript. Okay, using JavaScript. So remove this, save the file, refresh this page now. So now this is it. Okay, so guys, now what I'll do here, I'll just create here another div. So give the class, I'll just give the class as a overlay menu. Give the id also the same as a overlay menu only. Close this div now. So now inside this div, I'll create here another div. I'm very sorry. So I can just say here inner menu. This is it. Let's just close this div now. So let's just give a little bit of gap also. Okay, so that it will be visible to you only. So now I'll just create here a couple of anchor element. So I can just say here href. I can just use your JavaScript to give the void so that it will not take us to any external link. Okay, so let's just close this and give here the class with the link only. So now just close this. Okay, so say here home. Let's just copy this and paste it several times. So I'll just paste it 7 times only. So now I'll just say here, let me just go to the example to see the link's name. So it's home services about us product, home services about us products, and next one is new arrivals dashboard and contractors. Okay, so it's new arrivals dashboard and contact us. Save the file, have a look at the browser first. So come here, refresh this page. So here is the link. Okay, so now guys, let me just copy this class overlay menu and let me just go to the CSS first, put it here, and I'll just say here. So I can just say here position. I'll just give you a position as a I can just give you a position as a what can I say guys, let's just give you a position as a fixed only. So let's just give you a top 0. Let's just give you a left also 0. Let's just give you a width of 100%. Let's just give you a height of 100 vh. Okay, let's just give you the height of 100 vh, and let's just give you a background color. I'll use your RGBA value. It's RGBA value. I'll use a RGBA value. I'll use here. So let's just give you a 0, and let's just give you 128. Let's just say here 128, and let's just say here 0. 5. I'll give you. I'll use here backdrop filter as well. So I'll just say here backdrop filter and blur. So give you a 10px. I'll just use here the it's a 10px. Okay, so it's not only 10, it's 10px. Okay, I can just use here the bracket also for the vendor dependencies. WebKit backdrop filter blur 10px. Let me just check if it is the spelling is okay. So it's WebKit backdrop filter. This is cool. Okay, let me just give you the background color also. So I can just say here 6 times 0. Say here C2. This is it, and I can just give here the, as of now, just say here transform. I can just say here translate y. Okay, translate y. So we have to hide it initially. So I'll just hide it initially. Give here translate y 100%. Okay, and I can just say here flex direction also. I can give here column. I can just give here display also flex. I can just say here justify content also. I can give it justify content also center. I can just say here align items also center. Okay, and just now I can just say here transition. Okay, transition I can just say here transition I can just say here transform. Okay, transform 0 0.05 seconds is, and now I'll just put a comma and I'll just transform the opacity as well. So I'll just say here opacity also. Okay, 0 0.4 seconds is. Okay, this is it. So we have to so it is now hidden. So let's just give you opacity 0 as well as of now. So set the file. We won't be able to see anything now. Set the file into the browser and refresh this page now. So nothing is visible. So as of now, let's just make it opacity 1. And as of now, let's just comment this out. So refresh this page and come to the browser now. Refresh this page now. So we will be able to see this now. Okay. So now let me just give you the Z index as well. So I'll just give you a Z index like this. Okay. So okay, so give you a Z index of 1000 only. Set the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here. Okay, this overlay now it is now visible now. So now what I'll do here, I'll just copy this inner menu. I'll just copy this inner menu classes and just paste it here. And now what I'll do here, I'll just say here position relative. I'll give here relative, and I can just say here text align. I can just say here text align center. I can just say here display also. I will give you a flex only. I can just say here flex. Okay, it's a flex direction. I can give you a column. I can just say here width of auto. Okay, and I can just say here text align. I can just say here text align left. Okay, so remove this. Okay, text align center. We don't need to give it duplicate property. Okay, and I can say here margin also. I can say here margin 0 auto to bring it to the center of the screen. Okay, and I can just give you padding also 0. Set the file, have a look at the browser first. So this looks cool now. Okay, into the center of the screen now. So now we will copy this link. Okay, copy this link class from here and just paste it here. I can just say here font. Okay, it's a font size. I can give you a 40 px. Okay, you can give it according to your requirements. I can just say here font family. I can give you a sans serif. Okay, I can just give you a font weight as well of 900. I can just say here text. Okay, text decoration none. I'll give here. I'll just give you a text transform. Okay, text transform I'll give here. Where is the transform? Okay, uppercase. Okay, and I can just say here cursor. I'll give you a pointer. I'll just give you a color also white, and I can just give here the I can give here position or relative position. I'll give you a relative. I can just give you display inline block. Okay, inline block, and I can just say here uh, give width also auto, and I can just say here transition. Okay, transition. So I'll just say here transition. I'll just say here transform transition and transform. I'll just say here 0 0.5 second is. Okay, I will just use here is only, no is in out. Okay, and I can just say here later spacing also. I'll use here 1 px. Set the file, have a look in the browser first. So this looks cool now. Let me just enlarge this font size, give you a 45 px. Yeah, this looks cool now. Okay, this is only up to you. Okay, whether you want to enlarge the font size, whether you want to okay, like some sort of, okay, like a small font size like 20 px, 25 px, 30 px. It is only up to us. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, so come to the code now. Okay, so guys, first of all there is more CSS we have to write here. So let me just say here so come here now. So I'll just say here overlay menu. Okay, so copy this overlay menu from here, and now just paste it here, close this. So let's just put here point, And now, okay, so guys, now if overlay menu is active, okay, so guys, if overlay menu is active, so we will show it, we will hide it accordingly. Okay, so we will just say here, you can see here I have given here the so let's just put here opacity 1, I mean 0, and let's just comment this out. Okay, so we have to show this now. You can see here, initially this overlay menu is hidden by using opacity and by using transform translate 100%. Okay, so now to show this, we will just say here opacity, we will give here 1, and we will just say here transform also, transform we will just say here translate y, and we will just give here 0. Okay, so let's just say here important, and now we will just say here transition also, we will say here transition transform. Okay, and 0.5 second is in out. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'll just say here so let's just say here dummy class, change dummy class. Okay, this change dummy class, I'm going to target it now. So now if it is applied, okay, if it is applied to this container div, to this parent div, I have shown you also. So now if this is applied, so now we'll just say here bar. Okay, we'll just say here bar dot active. Okay, we'll just apply the active class to the bars as well, to this. Okay, to this hamburger menu. I'm going to do that now. So I'll just say here I'll apply the color white, I'll apply the background color white as well. Let's just give you important, and now I'll just say here transition also, transition I'll just say here transform. Okay, transform I can just say here 0.5 seconds and is in out. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just finish writing the all the CSS first. Okay, so now I'll just say here, so now what I'll do here, I'll first say here the, okay, so let me just say here uh, what can I say, guys, say here first link. Okay, link, and now I'll just say here let's just say here link, and I'll just give here opacity 0. Let's just give here important also to hide the link initially. Okay, and I'll just say here transform translate y, give you 100 px, and let's just say here important also. And now we will just say here transition, I can say here transition all 0.5 seconds is in is only, let's just say here is, let's just give here important. Okay, important, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here okay if, okay if overlay menu, okay, if overlay menu is active. Okay, if overlay menu is active, which means if overlay menu is active. Okay, so guys, if overlay menu is active, we will show this link now. Okay, we will show this link now. So let me just say here opacity 1, let's just give you important. Okay, and now I'll just give you a transform also. So transform I will give you a translate. Okay, I will just give you a 0. Okay, I'll just give you a 0. Let's just give you important as well. So I think let's just remove this important from here as of now. Okay, if it is not applied, we will apply this. Okay, let's just remove this important from here as well. This is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Refresh this page now, so nothing is visible now. So we will write the JavaScript code now. Okay, guys, I'm going to write the JavaScript code to make this, okay, hamburger menu and overlay menu clickable as well as animated as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to write the JavaScript now. So come to this code now, and we will write the JavaScript now. So go down, and below I'll create here one script element. So script, this is it. So guys, now I'm going to write here the script. Okay, so guys, just pay attention, guys. Okay, guys, just pay attention now. Okay, so I'll just say here document dot add event listener. Okay, which event, guys? The DOM content loaded event. I will attach to the entire document DOM content loaded. Okay, this is the event. Okay, so it will it will wait for the HTML to be loaded. It is not going to wait for the CSS, the JavaScript to be loaded. It will start working whenever, as soon as our HTML is loaded. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I can just say here, I'll run function here. Okay, so function, so close this, and now, okay, and now what I'll do here, I'll just create a couple of couple of variables. I'm going to initialize, I'm going to create a couple of variables. Okay, so let's just say here const equal to, I'll create here menu using document dot query selector. Okay, so it is going to give the, it is going to take the CSS selector. So query selector is, so I'll just say here menu, this hamburger menu. So copy this hamburger menu class from here, copy this hamburger menu class from here, and just paste it here. And I'm going to create here a couple of more state like variables. So const, and I can just say here overlay equal to document dot query selector. Close this. So this overlay, guys, okay, this overlay, so copy this class overlay from here and just paste it here. This is it. I'm going to create here another variable. So const, I can just say here bars. Okay, so say here bars document dot query selector. This one I'll use here all to select all the class with the to select all the divs with the class bar. Okay, to select all the divs with the class bar. So let's just put here dot and paste it here. This is it. Okay, so now let's just copy this menu from here, and now let's just paste it here, and I'll attach the event listener to this. Okay, a menu only. So I'll just add here the add event listener. So guys, which event? Of course the click event. Okay, so click event I'm going to append here, I'm going to attach, and I'll run the function first. Okay, so let's just say here I will just alert something if this is doing great or not. So as of now, just save the file. So go to the browser and refresh this page and click on this hamburger menu. So we got here issue. Let me just check what is the issue here. So go to the developer tools, go to the inspect. Yeah, we got here one issue here. So it is saying document dot add event listener. Okay, okay, you can see here, here is the mistake. It is not add event listener, it is, okay, it is query selector, it is query selector all. Okay, so now just save the file and now refresh this page and now click on this hamburger menu. So see, it is going to show the alert now. This is doing great now. So this is doing great. So let's just close this. Okay, this is doing great now. So now let's just remove this alert. We don't need this alert now. So now I'll just say here menu. Okay, menu dot. Okay, so guys, you can see here this menu. Okay, this hamburger menu. Okay, this hamburger menu. So we have to apply which class, guys? We have to apply this change class. Okay, we have to apply this change class. So copy this, okay, change class from here and come down. So I'll just say here class list. Okay, class list dot toggle. So I'll just toggle the classes. Okay, toggle. So let's just paste it here. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now refresh this page one more time and now click on the hamburger menu. See, boom, guys, boom. This is doing great, guys. This is doing great. Okay, see, this is doing great, guys. Okay, this is doing great. So come to the code now very quickly, and now let me just copy this. Okay, overlay also variable from here, and now dot class list dot toggle. So guys, which class I'm going to toggle? I'm going to toggle this active class. You can see here, overlay menu, this active class. So copy this active class from here and just paste it inside this. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Refresh this page one more time. Click this hamburger menu now. See, boom, guys, boom, guys, boom. This is doing great. Okay, this is doing great, guys. This is doing fantastic. Okay, so come to the code now. So now what I'll do here, I'll just say here document. Okay, document dot body dot class list dot add. I'm going to add the class. Okay, which class, guys? On the body I'll add which class, guys? I'll just add, okay, this class. Okay, this no scroll class to prevent the overflow, or to prevent the scroll. Okay, so let's just paste it here. Instead of adding, guys, let's just say here toggle only. This is really cool. We can add the class as well as we can remove the classes also. So as of now, just save the file and come to the browser now. So now go to the developer tools to show you the class on the body. So here is the body tag. So click on this hamburger menu now. You can see here. So body. So document. It's a body. Okay, it's body, guys. Okay, it's body. There is a spelling mistake. Save the file. Come to the browser now. Refresh this page one more time. So here is the body tag. So let's just click on the hamburger menu. You can see here no scroll class is now added. Click this again. The class is now removed. Click this again. Here is the no scroll class is added now. Click this again. So it is now removed. This is doing great. Come to the code now. So now what I'll do here, so inside this click only, inside this click only, you can, guys, come here. So guys, you just open this. Okay, you can see, guys, as of now, although, guys, whenever the hamburger or the overlay menu is open, guys, listen to me very carefully. Although this overlay menu is open, you can see here, be okay, this hamburger menu is not looking cool, is not looking great. Okay, so we have to make this hamburger menu white. Okay, white whenever overlay menu is open. Like, come to the code now. So open this hamburger menu, click this hamburger menu. You can see here, you can see here, this overlay menu is open, as well as this hamburger menu. Okay, it looks white. Okay, it looks great also, so that user can see it. User can click on this. Okay, click on this. User can close this. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to also do this here also. You can see here it is still black. It is not looking cool, it is not looking great. So we have to make it look white. Whenever overlay menu is open, we will make it white as well. Okay, we will make this hamburger menu white. Okay, whenever this overlay is open. So come to the code now. So now inside here only, what I'll do here, I'll just check. Okay, first of all, I'll just check. Okay, if overlay, okay, first we will check this overlay. Okay, if this overlay dot class list dot contains. Okay, dot contains. Okay, dot contains. Okay, which class, guys? Which class it contains? It contains the active class. Okay, it contains the active class. Okay, if this if overlay dot class list dot contains the active class, which means this overlay menu is open. Okay, which means this overlay menu is open, which means this overlay menu is open. So now what I'll do here, I'll just copy this bars, okay, variable name from here, and now I'll just use the for each loop. Okay, so for each, and I'll give the c as a parameter to this callback function. So I'll run here one callback function like this. Okay, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, I'll just use here set timeout to apply the classes at, okay, to apply the classes after certain seconds, after certain time. Okay, so I'll just say here set timeout, and I can just now I can just say here set timeout. I will again run here the filter function like this, and I'll just provide here the parameters. So I'll apply the classes after 5 seconds. So close this now, and now I'll just do here what I'll do here, I'll just say here this c, okay, this c, copy this from here, this c dot, okay, class list dot, I'll just apply the classes. So I'll just add the class. So add the class, which class, guys, which class to add? This active class. Okay, you can see here where is the active class. You can see here this active class, copy it from here, and and just paste it here. And as of now, guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So come to the browser now, refresh this page one more time, and now click this on this hamburger menu. See, boom, guys, you can see here. Now you can see, so we have to do here one thing now. So now after the else, so else I'll just say here, okay, else I'll just say here, okay, copy this again bar, and just paste it here, and I'll just say here for each, and again I'll give it this c, or give it t only this time. Okay, and now I'll just say here t dot class list dot remove. Okay, t dot class list dot remove. Okay, so remove the class this time. Okay, whenever the hamburger menu is closed, we will remove the class. Okay, so now which class guys to remove? Which class to remove guys? This active class. Okay, so copy this class from here and let's just paste it here. Okay, this is it. So it is here. Let's just bring it now. Okay, and now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Refresh this page, click this hamburger menu now. Okay, so now this looks cool guys. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, so here now it is white, again it is black, again it is white, again it is black. Like here in the example, this is now white, this is now black, this is now white, this is now black. So guys, now I'm going to provide this click sound effect. Okay guys, I'm going to provide this click sound effect now. Okay, so come to the code now. I will provide here also the click sound effect. So come to the code now, and now we will define here one variable. So I can just say here const. Okay, I can just say here click sound. Okay, click sound equal to new audio. So we have to give here the audio file name. So go to the folder. So guys, this is the audio file name. Okay, you can see here this is the sound effect. Okay, okay, this is the sound effect I'm going to use here. So copy this file name from here and minimize this and paste it here. So now we will define here one function inside this only. So function, say here click, say here play click. Okay, play click sound. Okay, this is it. So now let's just define this now. So copy this click sound variable name from here and let's just say here current. Okay, current time. Okay, current time equal to 0. So okay, so it will say here what can I say? I can say here restart from the beginning. Restart from the beginning. Okay, so it will always start from the beginning. Okay, this is it. And so I can say here click sound. Okay, click. So copy this click sound and just say here play. This is the JavaScript method. It is already defined inside the JavaScript. Okay, so now let me just copy this function play click sound from here and let's just call it here. Let's just call it here inside the menu. Click inside the hamburger, click only. So now let's just paste it here and let's just close this. This is it. Save the file, come to the browser now, refresh this page. Okay, and click now on this hamburger menu. See, boom guys, boom. Okay, so now we will be able to hear the click sound effect as well. Okay, this is doing great guys, this is doing great. Okay, so guys, now I will provide the animation. So come to the example now. So guys, now I'm going to provide the animation first. Okay, I'm going to provide here the animation now. So come to the code now. I will provide the animation now. So come to the code now. So now what I'll do here, I'll just come here. Okay, and now guys, let me just show you one more example, one more feature of this example also. So guys, we will be able to close this overlay menu using the escape button as well, using the escape key as well. Okay, so click the escape key now, it's gone. Press the escape key now, it's gone. Press the escape key now, it's gone. Okay, so we will just provide here also in our coding as well. Okay, but first of all, I'm going to provide here the animation, like this animation. I'm very sorry guys. Okay, this animation I'm going to provide here, this animation I'm going to provide now. So come to the code now. What I'll do here, I'll just come here and now I'm going to provide here the animation now. So I'll just say here overlay menu, when it is active. Okay, when it is active, when overlay menu is active, we will just say here link. Okay, we will just say here link. And now what I'll do here, I'll just use here and okay, nth child, okay, nth child. So give here the first child, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here transition. I can say here transition all 0. Okay, 4 seconds is, okay, 0.4 second is, and now again I'll give here 0.3 seconds is, okay, or let's just say don't give here any animation effect, let's just give here important, okay, important, this is it. So let me just count how many child we have here. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh, okay. So let me just copy this and paste it 7 times. So two, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, okay. So let's just make it 2, let's just make it 3, let's just make it 4, let's just make it 5, let's just make it 6, let's just make it 7, okay. This is, let me just change the timing only. So let me just change the timing only. So I'll just say here 5, I can just say here it's 7, okay. So it is going to take the 2 second differences only. So I'll just say here it's 1.1 seconds only, and I'll just say here 3 seconds, okay, or 2 seconds only. So yeah, it's 3, and now I just say here 5 seconds only. This is it, okay. So guys, as of now, just okay, so now what I'll do here, so okay, so let me just check what is the issue here. Let me just check here one more time. So link, so now okay, link is here. So this is doing great, okay. So let me just save the file and come with the browser now. So now let me just refresh this page one more time and click on the hamburger menu. See, boom guys. Okay, so what is this issue with the contact? What is this issue with the contact, guys? This contact, okay, this contact link. So here you can see here there's only 6 only. We have to make it 7, okay. Make it 7 now. Save the file and refresh this page one more time. Click this hamburger menu now. See, boom guys. See, boom. Okay, so we can guys, okay, increase the menu also. There is no any restrictions, there is no any constraint, okay. We can increase it, we can decrease it as per the our need, as per our requirements. So let's just say here login, okay, login. Okay, so let's just copy this and let's just make it, okay, 8th child, and let's just increase the timing. So it's level 7, 1.7 second. Save the file and refresh this page one more time. Refresh this, click on the hamburger menu. Okay, this is doing great guys, okay, okay. And now we will provide the escape key feature. So as of now it is not going to work here, okay. So let's just press the escape key. It will not work here as of now, okay. Let's just press the escape key. It will not work here as of now. We have to provide it now. So now let's just go to the JavaScript, okay. And now here only, and now what I'll do here, I'll just say here, okay, I can just say here document, okay, document. So I can just say here document dot add event listener, okay, document dot add event listener. So guys, which event guys? It's key down event, okay. It's key down event because they're going to listen for the key, okay. They're going to listen for the key press event or the key down event, okay. It can be any kind of key: escape key, tab key, caps lock keys, shift key, function key, tab key, enter key. We can listen for the any kind of key event, okay guys. We can listen for the any kind of key event, okay. It can be any kind of key event, okay. So now it is the key down. So I'll just say here function. I'll run here one function now. So just close this now, and now I can just say here if, okay, if this is the event object, I'll pass here the event object. So now I can just say here e dot key, key equal to if it is escape key, if it is escape key, if it is escape key, okay. If it is escape key, so if it is escape key, okay, let's just give here another parenthesis, and let's just say here if it is escape key, or we will check here, or event object dot key, event object dot key equal to ESC. Okay, ESC. Okay, this is also the escape key. Okay, so we have to provide here the capital E. Okay, or and I'll say here and we will check. Okay, and we will check here, and we will check here, and we will check here if okay if this overlay menu is open or not. Okay, before pressing the before closing the overlay menu, when user will press the escape key button, before guys closing this overlay menu, whenever user will press the escape key, okay, we have to first check if this overlay menu is open or not. Okay, guys, before closing the this overlay menu, whenever user will press the escape key or escape button, first of all let me just check if this overlay menu is open or not. Okay, is open or not. Okay, we will check it, then we will close it. Okay, so now what I'll do here, I'll just copy this overlay dot class list dot contains. Okay, dot contains which class, guys, which class? This active class. Okay, this active class. So copy this active class from here and just paste it here. If it is open, if overlay menu is open, if overlay menu is open, so we will just say here menu. Okay, this menu dot class list, this menu dot class list dot remove. Okay, which class, guys, to remove? Of course this active class. Okay, this is it. And now I'll just say here overlay menu also, this overlay menu we will also hide it also, because we have to hide it also. So I'll just say here overlay menu dot class list dot remove also, which class to, guys, remove from here, guys. Okay, this overlay menu contain which class? Okay, uh, so this menu contain the change class. Okay, this menu contain the change class, so paste it here, this change class. And this overlay contain the active class. Okay, so copy this active class from here and just paste it here. This is it now. So now I'll just say here, okay, now I'll just say here bars. Okay, this bars. Okay, this bars, we have to remove the color also from this bar now. So I'll just say here bars dot for each, and I'll just give you the callback function as g equal to, I'll run here the filter function like this. Okay, so I'll just say here g, okay, dot class list dot remove, to remove the classes from the bar as well. So guys, what is the class on this bar? So it is also active class, so we will just remove this active class as well. And now what I'll do here, I'll remove the background scroll class, no scroll class, from this body as well. Okay, so let's just paste it here. So we will also remove this. Okay, so we'll just say here, just remove this. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Refresh this page one more time, and now open this, click this hamburger menu to open the overlay menu. And now, guys, press the escape key. Okay, this is it. No sound at all. So we will provide the sound effect as well, the closing sound effect or the click sound effect we will provide also. So copy this from here and let's just paste it here as well. Save the file and have a look in the browser now. Now open this, press the escape key now. Boom, guys, boom. See the, guys, animation. Okay, close this, guys, try to see the animation. Okay, press the escape key, it's gone. Click on the hamburger menu, press the escape key, it's gone. Okay, so guys, now let me just give you the what can I say, the responsiveness also. Go to the inspect, go to the mobile view, so come here. So now we will add the responsiveness also. So come to the CSS part now. Okay, so guys, I hope, guys, you have got the JavaScript. Okay, guys, the JavaScript is very simple, pretty straightforward, and there's no any rocket science at all. I hope you got the JavaScript. Okay, what I have written here, what I have explained you must have get it. You must have understand what I have written here, what I have tried to convey to you. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. This is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Okay, so now come to this CSS. Now we will provide here the responsiveness now. So I'll just say here at the rate, okay, at the rate media. So I'll just say here media, I'll I will apply here the media query. Okay, I will just apply here the media query. So copy now, so I can just say here media query, and I can just say here max width. Okay, max width of I'll just say here 340 px. This is it. And now I'll just say here inner menu. Okay, copy this inner menu from here only. Copy this inner menu from here only, and inside the media query, I'll just paste it here like this. And so what I'll do here, I'll just give here the position relative also, and let's just, instead of padding 0, let's just make it padding 30 px. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh this page, click this hamburger menu. So now this looks cool now. Okay, and why not, guys, try to minimize the okay, it's like font size. Okay, try to minimize the font size. So font size I'll give here 20 px. 65. Refresh this page one more time, click this hamburger menu. So font size is too small now, give here 40 px. Refresh this page, click this hamburger menu. Okay, so this looks cool now. You can give here 35 px as well. Save the file, refresh this page one more time, click this hamburger menu. Okay, so now this looks cool now. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic from this video, from this session of mine. Okay, and I hope, guys, you are thrilled and you are excited. Okay, to create these videos, to create this hamburger menu as well as overlay menu on your own, and you will definitely try to integrate. You will definitely try to use this hamburger menu as well as overlay menu in your application, in your website, in your client project, in your client websites as well. Okay, so guys, this is really standard, and this is really up to the mark. Okay, hamburger menu as well as overlay menu, you are, guys, free. You are, guys, okay, totally free to customize this. Okay, to modify this according to your need, according to your project requirements. Okay, so I hope, guys, you have learned something cool, something great, something dynamic from this video, from this session. And I hope, guys, you have understood what I have written here, what I have explained you here, uh, be it okay css3, be it okay HTML5, or be it okay JavaScript, okay, or vanilla JavaScript. Okay, so this is it, guys, for this video, for this session. Okay, we have come to the end of this video now. We have come to the end of this session now. Okay, and I hope, guys, you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also. And definitely, guys, you're going to share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your groups as well. Okay, please, guys, do subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and please, guys, do like the video as well. And please, guys, do write some comment also in the comment section below, what you have learned, okay, what you have understood in this from this video, from this session. Okay, so see you, guys, in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now. See you, guys. See the animation. Okay, see the animation. Okay, see you, guys.